Wow, what a pretty day today it is. Sunshine, about 55 degrees. Guess what we're gonna do?
Wow! Come on, groove it on. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along.
Today we're making our rub for our pork belly, and what we're starting out with is about a tablespoon of paprika, and I mixed about a tablespoon of onion powder and about a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then coarse sea salt, about a tablespoon of that. All of the ingredients are about a tablespoon, except for when we get down to the curry powder. I put in like a half a teaspoon of curry powder and an eighth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. What I'd like to add to this that I didn't have in the ingredients in the first is coarse ground pepper. So we're just going to give a couple of shakes of that. Okay, maybe a couple more. All right. And then we'll mix that up, and that's the basis for our pork belly. It's a rub. As you can see, this makes just a little bit of rub. If you have a large pork belly, you might want to double the recipe, but we're just doing ours on I don't know, it's probably 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds, and this should be enough to coat both sides.
This is the fat side up of our pork belly. We are going to take this belly and we're going to take one section out about right there for the bacon that we're going to do. We're going to take the other piece and put it in a couple of slices there and put it in the freezer. The center part is what we're going to cook today. Getting prepared to cut our pork belly for us doing our pork belly smoking today. Alright, we're going to take and cut us off a piece here. This piece is going to be right there for our bacon that we're going to do here this week sometime. I'll start curing that up in a couple of days. Really nice piece of meat there. The center piece that we're going to take here, this is what we're going to cook today. You think that'd be big enough, Deborah? A little bit more, a little less?
Just do and make sure you got 3 nice sized pieces.
I think that's just perfect then.
Yeah.
And cut that up right there. Now, let me tell you, let me look at that bacon. Can you see that bacon? Look how nice and lean. Did not have to trim any of the fat off of this here pork belly. And it's going to just come out really nice and neat for us today.
Yeah, that one there, that piece that we're going to use today is going to be just deliciousness.
And this piece here, we're going to take and we're going to do something else with this. I'm not sure yet, so we're going to leave that off to the side like it is, and we're going to just set these off.
I didn't realize how meaty it was. It's very meaty. Not a whole lot of fat, but
not a whole lot of fat, and it really looks good.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do today, we're going to score this, not all the way down, just score it up in little pieces there, about like that. Don't go all the way through. This is going to be for our rub that we're going to put on there, and when we smoke it. Now we're going to take her and do it this way also, just some cubes, if you can see what we're doing there. And that there cube there going there. This is what it's going to look like. Now we're going to take our rub that we just got through making and put that on there. Looks pretty good, don't it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna, that rub that we made earlier, we're just gonna kind of sprinkle that on here. And then we'll go back and kind of rub it in. It really smells good. I hope it really brings out the flavor of the pork belly. And we're just going to kind of get in there, make sure we get all that rub into all those crevices. So we'll go back and put some more on. And remember, this is very simple rub recipe. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients. And one thing that we're kind of trying this time that we don't usually put in our rubs is a little bit of curry. So we'll see how that works out. And then we want to make sure we leave enough in there to do the other side. Getting in all those little nooks and crannies. You think I got it in there pretty good?
Looks good to me.
And then,
Other
oh, I
side.
forgot, yeah, I want to get the sides here. Uh-oh, there goes the bread maker. To the other side. Make sure we use every drop.
Wait. We're gonna fire up the Camp Chef. We're gonna get this on the grill. Okay, our woodwind smoker, our Camp Chef woodwind smoker is up to temperature of about 285 degrees at this point. So we're going to put our pork belly on the grill, and we're going to smoke it to an internal temperature of about 140 to 150 degrees. Then we're going to take it off. So let's get it on the grill. Just beautiful. This is going to be nothing but good today. Gonna smoke this for about 3 hours. Then we're gonna check the internal temperature and take it off and put our barbecue sauce on it. Our Camp Chef woodwind Camp Chef smoker is running around 280, pretty steady, 282, and we've been on for about an hour. So we're gonna get a look at the pork belly and see what this looks like now after 1 hour on. Here we go. Oh, look at the color of that. Wow, that looks so good for after an hour. I'm close. Okay, so we're sitting at the 2 hour mark now on this pork belly. We're going to check it out again after 2 hours. Oh, wow, look at that. It is crusted up really nice. Juicy. Let's take it. But isn't that a pretty piece of pork belly? Wow. Okay, we have reached our core temperature of about 150 degrees. We're going to take this off and we're going to wrap it in our tin foil. Look at that. Isn't that just a beautiful piece of meat? Here we go. Wrap this thing up, fold that over, and over. On the grill to go. Okay, that's going back on the grill now for about a half an hour, 45 minutes or an hour. Get that core temperature up. Then we're going to do our barbecue sauce. Okay, we've made up some barbecue sauce. We use some Masterpiece barbecue sauce that we have, and we put a little brown sugar in it. We put a little liquid smoke in it, and we're going to set it on the grill to get that warmed up to put it on this pork belly. This is going to be good. About 30 minutes, folks. Just sitting on a deck waiting for that pork belly to get done. Any minute now. Okay, right off of the grill, we're going to take a look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, that smells good. We're definitely very, very pretty. Oh, if you could hear that. Nice and crispy. All right, we're going to get this back on the grill and we're going to put some sauce on it. Sauce it up very good. Tell you, this is delicious. Look at it. This is a little waste of time. Let's just take that sauce and we're just going to pour it right over that. Oh yeah. Get that all in the crevices here. Look at this. Oh yes. A little bit of sauce will get onto the grill itself down below. No biggie. Got tin foil at the bottom of our grill there. Alright, I'm going to turn it over. Get some sauce on the other side. Sauce on this side. Looks like I made just about enough sauce, folks. It smells so good. That baby back over and let her cook. I'm just going to get rid of the rest of the sauce right on top of here. We're going to let this cook for about another 30 minutes on this grill. These are going to be so good. We'll be back with you in about 30 minutes or so, and we're gonna eat.
Okay, first, this is a moment of truth. We're gonna take it off of there now. Open it up. Oh my goodness.
Wow, look, did you smell that? Woo! Now that's some good stuff.
Yeah, this is when you need smell-o-vision.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you got something to put it on to get it off of there? Now, this is what I call meat candy here. Oh, it might fall apart before you even get it on there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're going to have to just slide it on there.
Okay.
How's that look?
Yeah, it smells even better than it looks, actually.
Okay. How's that looking for us, folks? Boy, that smells good. Oh, look at this. Look at that just pull apart. Close that up on Mom.
I gotta zoom.
Look at that. Oh.
It's hot now.
A little hot.
I told you it was hot.
A little hot. But boy, I'm telling you what.
Oh, look at that white pork in there. That is like I said, that is meat candy right there.
Look at this thing.
I know, he's drooling. Look at that. Hey, Curry.
That's some good stuff in it.
Wish we could share it with you.
Wow.
I know.
Sorry. This is delicious. Barbecued.
Yeah.
The curry flavor on there. Just a hint.
Well, if you ever get a chance or you see pork belly in your local store, grab it. You'll really be surprised at how wonderfully good it is.
Hey, how about let's get inside there and get us some homemade potato salad, some of those beans, and let's eat.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Let's see this. Look at that. Oh, hot.
It's still
hot, hot, hot. But look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. And it is nothing but just pulling apart. Look at this. It's so hot though. I can live with this. This is pretty good stuff. Thanks for watching for us today, folks. We appreciate it. We hope you would try this. We're going to put the recipe down in the comments down below. Not in the comments. We're going to put the recipe down in the description down below. If you have a comment, please leave it. And you guys have a great day today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.